This is my workshop. It's not very big, but then for porcelain you don't need much room. The wheels were made a long time ago in Britain. I brought them with me from Wales. This is a shape that I've been making since just before I left Wales. I like this shape, which is very difficult to make, to bring it out like that with just a small base. So I often make that with different glazes. This one is the same shape, but it's just white glaze. This one I call my volcano ball, because it's my idea of a volcano erupting, and I've used that shape quite a bit. This was a crazy time I had making weird teapots. Of course you can't use it, but there is a crater inside with coloured glass, and I've got that in a museum in America, similar one. But it was just a crazy idea I had at one time. This is a bowl I'm quite proud of because it's difficult to make a big shape like that in porcelain. It can easily collapse. The strange thing is that when I'd made it, for some reason or other, I put it high on the shelf in my labo and forgot about it. And then this year I found it covered in dust. So I cleaned it up and here it is now. This Japanese shape was really inspired by a young Japanese woman I had staying with me for for 6 months. She came to learn calligraphy and she brought some Japanese influence with her, and that was one of the results. That is a bottle form that's a very interesting shape to make. You have to have a mould and make a mould for half of that, and you roll your clay out and put in the mould and then cut it out and put two pieces together. You can make some very interesting shapes there. That was a craze I had of making landscapes. That's supposed to be a landscape here with the regular pattern made by the Weinbergs, and then the birds over the Weinbergs. That was one of the first ones using calligraphy on the bow, and that I made that quite a long time ago, but I made a mistake in the spelling, but nobody realised it. I've got there, I don't know what that is. It should be Sehnsucht, but I don't know what happened here. Anyway, nobody noticed it. This is more calligraphic marks on a bowl, just using the sort of marks that we use in calligraphy. And these were fun, playing with the shadow that you can get with porcelain. Scraping the letters out with a nib, instead of writing, scraping them out, and then letting the light play with them. So I made quite a few of those.